scientists have discovered a way to harness the power of a towel to manipulate space-time. The towel, a seemingly ordinary household item, has been found to have extraordinary properties. Researchers have been studying the towel's ability to warp space-time, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. Imagine being able to travel through space and time using nothing but a towel. But that's not the strangest part. The towel's power is not limited to just space-time manipulation. It also has the ability to clean up spills and wipe down surfaces with ease. But what's the science behind this incredible phenomenon? It all starts with the towel's unique molecular structure. The towel's molecules are arranged in a specific pattern that allows them to interact with space-time in a way that's never been seen before. But how does it work?
Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of information. That's roughly the amount of data that's contained in each molecule of the towel.
This data is then used to create a kind of towel space that allows the towel to manipulate space-time.
But what happens when you try to use the towel's power for something other than cleaning up spills? Well, that's when things get really interesting.
The towel's power can be harnessed to create incredible forces, such as the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. And the best part is that it's all completely safe. The towel's power is not capable of causing any harm. But what about the practical applications of this technology? Imagine being able to use the towel to clean up oil spills or wipe down surfaces in a hospital. The possibilities are endless. But for now, the towel's power remains a mystery. Scientists are still studying the towel's properties and trying to understand how it works. And as for the towel itself, well, it's just a regular old towel. Or is it? The answer to that question is still unknown. But one thing is for sure: the towel is an incredible tool that has the potential to change the world. So what do you think? Is the towel a miracle worker or just a regular old household item? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to learn more about the towel's power? Check out the links in the description below for more information. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the towel's power, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.